Hi, today we are looking at this UFO LED bay light. This is commercial grade, but you can use this anywhere. It's going to give you 120 degrees beam. It is built with an ADC-12 heavy duty die cast aluminum housing that is IP65. It is water resistant. It is dust proof. It is going to just be able to maintain and be able to help you save energy while lighting up the area. This is great for damp places, dry places, wherever you need it, even in situations, like I said, that are damp or have that moisture in the air. Here it comes with the hook that you're going to screw right on here. And this can be done in two ways. So you can either just plug it in and set it up, or you can wire it. It is completely up to you. It comes with both options. So that way, if you want to get it and just plug it in somewhere and go, you can do that without having to install the plug yourself. Or you can hook up the wires to your warehouse or wherever you're gonna put it. It also comes with this metal wire. And it comes nicely secure and styrofoam that is going to keep it safe and secure, so you don't have to worry about getting a damaged product. This is 100 watts LEDs. You can see all the LED lights here. It is 14,000 output lumens, so it is really gonna light up the space that you are gonna put it in. It has the nice aluminum outer that you can see here that is going to protect the light as well. This is also dimmable if you have your own dimmable switch. It can be dimmable from 0 to 10 as long as you have the dimmable switch, but it is able to do that.